This hair is from Nadula Hair. I did save the packaging this time so you guys can see it, just in case you guys are not familiar with how it is that their packaging looks like. Sometimes hair companies change their packaging, but for the most part, Nadula's Hair has been coming in this type of box. Shipping, because I know sometimes I do forget to mention it, and sometimes you guys will ask. The shipping for this hair took about, I want to say 4 or 5 days. I have their 5x5 body wave HD lace closure wig. I've been really into HD lace wigs lately, so you guys are going to see a few more of these here on my channel, and especially closure wigs in particular, just because they're a lot easier to deal with. I've been kind of gravitating towards these now as opposed to frontal wigs, but I'm not against frontal wigs. It's just, like I said, closure wigs are far more easier. They're very beginner friendly. They do not require that much effort. You guys see, I always apply my wigs nowadays with the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. I don't feel like it is necessary for you to do the bald cap method, for you to glue down your closure. Of course, that's entirely up to you, but just know that closures, to me, when I think of closure wigs, it's very low maintenance, beginner friendly, easy to throw on and go. Like, you don't have to put a ton of effort into wearing them. So don't overcomplicate the process when it comes to, you know, installing your closure wig. You guys see me do it all the time gluelessly, and it is possible to still achieve like that melted hairline look without particularly using a lace glue. Okay, so back to the hair. This, like I said, is their 5x5 HD lace closure wig. I do have it in the body wave texture, and then I have it in a 180% density, and the length on it is 24 inches. It's true to length and all that stuff. I'm not going to say it's particularly true to density. For this to be a 180 wig, I feel like it's a little bit on the thinner side. So for the 180 density, of course, because that's all that it comes in, the 24 inches that I got, this HD lace wig was $275. Now, to me, in terms of HD lace wigs, that is a little bit more on the affordable side, you know, because these HD lace wigs can be usually roughly around like $300 all the way up to $400. It's going to depend on the density and the length and if it's a frontal or closure wigs. But basically, HD wigs are quite an investment because they can get a little bit pricey. It's pushing $300, but not quite. I feel like $275 for this length and everything is a pretty decent price considering this is HD lace. HD lace is always going to be more than transparent lace and just regular standard medium brown lace. Yeah, this is not my first closure wig from them or HD lace closure wig from them at all for that matter. I did have one before and pretty much I messed up the lace, so that's why I went and got another one. I didn't get to wear it long enough like that because I accidentally put a hole in the lace that I could not fix, so that's why I decided to get it again. What I will say, this particular wig does not hold a curl like that, which is a little bit disappointing because it's body wave hair, so you know normally body wave hair holds a curl and all that good stuff, but this hair, it will curl, don't get me wrong, it'll definitely curl, but it just won't really hold a curl like that. When I was wearing it before, I would still curl it and I would just, you know, let them drop because I like that loose wave look anyway, but it would be nice if it kind of held a curl just a little bit better. Hair units, from my experience, bleach very nicely. It didn't really take too much effort for me to bleach the knots. The knots bleach rather quickly, so good thing I was keeping an eye on it. So if you do plan on bleaching your knots, you won't have any issue with that. I did dye this hair jet black. It does come in their standard, you know, natural brown hair color, but you can dye it, you can bleach it, you can, you know, slap whatever color on top of it that you want to. I really like that I barely get any shedding with this wig. Of course, it's normal for wigs to shed a little bit. I don't get too much shedding with this wig, so that is amazing. No tangles at all. Now, just because this is a closure wig does not mean that you can't part it wherever you want to. You can still do a side part on this. I will link my video of my last 5x5 lace closure wig install so you guys can see for reference. You definitely can part it to the side. It does come with adjustable straps, which I did adjust it to give my wig a more tighter fit, and then it does come with combs in it too. I do not like combs on wigs. They pull on my braids, pull on my wig cap, just pretty much get in the way, so I tend to cut them out. So that's exactly what I did, you guys. These are the type of combs that come inside of the unit. There was 2 on the side and 1 in the back. Now, in terms of the wig cap sizing, this is just a standard cap, so it's meant to fit everybody's head type. I always get my wigs in a size small because that is what works best for me. I don't have any issues. I don't feel like this wig runs small and I don't feel like it runs big either. Like I said, it's a standard cap size, so typically it should fit anybody that wears a small, medium, or large. I have had their straight wigs before and I actually really love their straight hair too, and I have no doubt in my mind that when I go to straighten this wig, it's going to just press out really nicely because they do have some really good straight hair too. If you guys are interested in that, I don't know anything about their curly hair or any other textures they have, but I can tell you for sure I like their body wave and their straight hair. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check the description box because I will go ahead and leave the direct link for this wig down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, please feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you guys next time.